two towns X and Y are located at point -2, -5 and 3, 7 respectively. Calculate the distance between the two towns. Okay, this topic is coming from a topic in mathematics known as coordinate geometry, and if you are well versed with that, you will discover that the distance between two points can be calculated as this. Okay, we have 2 point X. On point X we have -2, -5, and we have another point which is Y. That is 3, 7, right? Okay, please pay attention. We want to calculate the distance between this is tan X, this is tan Y. We want to calculate the distance between these two towns. In coordinate geometry, the distance between 2 points can be calculated using this formula. Okay, distance between X and Y is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, now this coordinate that you see here, listen to me carefully. Here, this one that you see here is known as x1, and this one is y1, this one is x2, and this is y2. Okay, with respect to what you have been given now, all you have to do is just substitute the values that you have here into this formula, okay, and get the distance between the points x, y. Do you understand? Okay, let's go. For this, I'm going to have the square root of x2. X2 is what? 3. So I'm going to have 3 minus x1. X1 is what? -2. 3 minus -2. Okay, plus, okay, y2. Y2 is what? 7. So I'm going to have 7. Now y1, okay, minus y1. Y1 is what? -5. So I'm going to have -5. Do you understand? Okay, please pay attention. Don't forget that there is square. You have to square your result. Okay, you have to square your result. Now for this, I'm going to have the square root of 3 minus -2. Negative times negative will give us positive. Okay, so I'm going to have 3 plus 2, that is 5. So I'm going to have 5 squared plus 7 minus -5, that is what? 7 plus 5. Because if you take the product of a negative number and a negative, this one that you see here, there is an invisible one here. You understand? Okay, negative times negative will give us plus. So 7 plus 5 is what? 12. Okay, I'm going to have 12 squared. So for this, take the square root. 25 plus 144. That is what? The square root of 169, sorry. So the square root of 169 is 13. So the distance between the two towns is 13, and the correct option to that question is option C, 13 units. 13 units. Okay, so you can see that it's simple. Now let me give you an advice. WAEC will not test you across a solved question. WAEC will test you across many topics. You can see that the first question that we solve here is coming from a solid shape, while the second question is coming from something like Pythagoras theorem or this plane shape, and the third is coming from statistic, while the fourth is coming from coordinate geometry. You can see now. So WAEC will not test you on a single topic. So if you discover that you are weak in some aspects, you can reach out to me personally. I have some video that I've done that can actually help you. You understand? Okay, so that's the solution to that question. Let's proceed to question number 5. Question 5. Given that x to the power of -n raised to the power of 4 is equals to 1 over x raised to the power of 6, find the value of n. Okay,
to watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.